Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again. This is me, your friend. Welcome to the second day of 5 minute speaking English challenge. Today I'm gonna show you daily English practice for beginners. It's not really hard, just try to do that. And I will share you some many steps that can improve your English as a beginner level. Let's start with the first one, or the first step. First, try to learn 5 to 10 sentences every day. It's not important to read hard sentences. Just do in the start as a simple sentences like I wake up at 7 o'clock, I eat my breakfast at 7:30, and I will study my English for 10 minutes. All of these are real easy sentences, and you can do that for 5 to 10 minutes and make 5 to 10 sentences. Step 2. Learn 5 words each day. It's really important just to read and study and learn 5 words each day. Maybe it will be really easy for the first as a beginning, but it will get really hard in the near future because every word you know you complete it in maybe 1 month or 2 months. After that you have to learn new words and find another one. For example, for your first day, maybe it will be really easy. Apple, banana, orange, fruit. I eat an apple every day. When you learn that word or phrase, write it in a notebook and with these meanings in your language, and mix as sentences for everyone. It's really helpful to make sentences for those words. When you make sentences for those words, you will never forget those words' meaning. Step 3. Listen to the short audio or video. When you listen that, after that, try to repeat after that. For example, you listen to a video, it's 2 minutes. Just try to repeat the easy sentences that you hear. Hello, hi, how are you? Like these sentences. Step 4. Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. It's really important, guys, to talk to yourself. It's not important for you. Start with easy sentences. For example, about your day. For example, I eat my breakfast at 8. After that, I come to my shop and do my work. Some sentences like this, or I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. But sorry guys, it's a little shouting at the outside because I'm recording my video in my shop. It's 6:30 in Afghanistan and we don't have another place. Now I don't have customer, because of that I make and record this video for you. Step 5. Write 5 to 10 sentences about your day. For example, in night you can write some sentences, really easy sentences, what you did today and what you want to do tomorrow. Just write 5 to 10 sentences, really easy one. Practice these types every day and your English will get perfect and grow stronger and more confident. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. If you want to see more like this video, please subscribe the channel and follow my channel. Thank you for having time and watching to my video. Have a nice one.